Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLDQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where these green lines are coming from. And all in all, still a healthy looking chart. Now, I do realize that if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up around there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking a little bit rough because the price did kind of drift downwards over the course of the day. But other than that, the price continues to chip away and build the higher bases, and that's what you want to see. What do I mean by higher bases? Well, assuming, this level right here can hold, which was essentially the low later on in the day, if that can hold, well, then the next set of lows was right there. And then you had these lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, very clearly you would have stair steps progressing in the upward direction. I should note, though, that, this level right here, right around $1.10, is not like a must hold level. So I'm not saying that if the price drops below $1.10, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything. But yeah, if the price does stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. So $1.10, I'm not going to mark it out, but just understand that that's more so the preferable area of support going forward. But all in all, the main, kind of driving point here that I'm trying to get across is that, yes, I get it. The price did drift downwards over the course of the day, but it's not like it collapsed or anything. It's still working on just building those higher bases. Whoops. So let's actually move this out here, because what I want to throw in here, and this is more so out of curiosity's sake, but that seems to be kind of the trend line here that's been really a thorn in the side of the charts throughout the course of the day. So going into Friday, that's looking like it's going to be the key level of resistance, trying to get a break up above that trend line right there. Right now valued right around $1.15, but notice the trend line does get lower and lower, meaning that as Friday plays out and then Monday, that value of the resistance is going to also itself lower, further downwards. But as of right now, like I said, going into the early hours of Friday, going to be right around $1.15, $1.13, right around there. But nice looking chart. The bounce continues. The price continues to chip away at those higher bases. So we'll see if the bulls can continue that or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.